Okay folks, second part of this job. Once your battery is out, you'll notice that the top plate here with the keyboard is very, very flexible, so just be very careful. You wouldn't want to damage the touch screen, which is under here. The other thing too is when you take the tab off for your battery, you've got your metal tab there, gold piece on the back. What you'll find is there's a little piece here that'll actually index between the two touch plates, the one on the top and the one on the bottom. And if you notice, the pin is slightly thicker on one side than it is the other, so it makes you index these the right way around, which would be that way around on the top there. So just be real careful with this little bridge here to connect your battery to, okay? And what you can do is you can look at either side of this. If you're not sure which way it is, you can look at either side and just sample, touch them, and try them out to make sure. And if you're really careful here, if you want to look here, if it does move, there's a little, if I can get my camera over to there, if you look here, there's a little triangle on that end, and that will index with this little triangle here. So if I can find the bloody thing again, so that unit there will connect into this piece here, and you won't see it on the other side. Trying to look through a phone and do this is with some thick glasses on. There you go. So look, you can see exactly where it is. So it's indexing between the two arrows, okay? And then simply the screw's going to go in there to hold the connector down. So have a look around on here. Make sure nothing was pinched. Your cables are all good. For your motherboard, everything's pushed in. There was a little bit of a pinch on this that I noticed actually. So I had a quick inspection of this, and she's not busted through here. And everything else seems like it's okay, just needs a bloody good clean. There's some crap in the fan, so I might give that a vacuum out or a bit of a dust out. And there's a bit of crap in that fan too. But other than that, it's in actually remarkably good condition. So I am going to go around though and tighten all these little screws up, because I know this has been bounced on the floor a few times. So I'll go along and just give everything a quick cinch up, just to make sure we won't run into any issues, you know, after I assemble it. So just be careful about that, okay? And you should be good. Be careful with the touchpad at the front. Check to make sure your ribbons are all okay. Nothing's pinching. Give it a clean off. You can see some dust in there. So I'll give that a bit of a clean out. Yeah, she's definitely got some dust in there. So we'll give that a clean off. Maybe you can get the paintbrush in there just to give that a bit of a clean, and then vacuum out. And then we'll put the battery back in, okay? But just be very careful of that connector piece, okay? All right, folks, over and out for now.